gram, yeah. Big slack, junkie coming from like go to 10 for that green crack. Love when y'all support a nigga, yeah, I really mean that. Off-white head to toe with a sucker green hat. Went downtown just to cut me some new drip. I know you seen that. Rolling up some Zod, smoke a split so I can relax. Trap nigga shit, trap nigga shit. This some trap nigga shit. Trap nigga shit, yeah. Was a trapper before I was ever a rapper. I had to get it however I can to get where I wanna be. Was shooting fast like boy, want that shit come a little faster. But there was no way I was gonna let a nigga plan on stopping me. Now look, I'm flat like a motherfucking wreck, I ain't talking NASA. Look nigga, if I'm fucking your bitch, don't ask me, nigga, just ask her. Even though I had that bitch face down with her ass up. Had that bitch on dick like I was a master. Bitch, I'm on go, got my gun up and my match down. Try to tell that pussy boy, me and my niggas, we don't fuck around. 100 shots, we let them go, y'all turn the feds, y'all heard chopper sound. Y'all already said what it is, bitches up there, never going down. I'm flipping zips, I'm flipping pounds. Oh, my king shit, I run my town. Since I'm the king, where the fuck my crown? Y'all niggas some clowns, just now hopping off the porch. Congratulations, here's your cap and gown. If my brother missed, then I got his rebound. You know he rockin' now. My bank account got a large amount. That's from all them long nights, hard working, yeah, dedication. A young nigga like me had to go get it. Couldn't be patient, there was no time for me waiting. Now take time out my day, just call myself the greatest. Haters just gon' be haters, yeah. Smoking on weed like I got a lifestyle in Jamaica, yeah. Double C for my bitch and plus I got some makeup, but like Kobe, rest in peace forever, he a Laker.